And Danny will say to me,
"Quit making cookies."
well, you know what? Try having some willpower.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Shit, he's gonna blame me because there's sweets in the house and he can't control
He's a
himself.
greedy bastard.
He is a greedy bastard.
Makes me sick.
Hi, welcome to Mama Deb's Kitchen. This is episode 26. My keto update, I'm down 10 pounds, which I'm very happy about. But today I'm not doing a keto recipe. I'll tell you why, because I can't think of any more dishes to make on keto. I've been like Googling stuff and I'll find some more to make. So what I'm gonna do tonight is make cookies for the boys, and they're called brown butter cookies. So Bill, you gotta come over here. So what I'm doing, I have 3/4 of a cup, which is 1.5 sticks of butter in here. And I'm having it turn like an amber brown. And it says it takes 6 to 8 minutes. But this is 3 minutes right now in. And you kind of have to stir it because it gets like this like foamy on top. And this is kind of a hard pot to tell in because it's a copper colored pot. But I'll show you the brownness. And you can smell it. It kind of gets like a nutty smell to it when it's brown butter. And it just brings out the taste of the chocolate chip cookies that is just so good. So it goes through like little stages of like boiling, and you just got to continuously stir it until it gets to that rich brown consistency. Now if you burn it, you'll know you burnt it. Trust me, you will know you burnt it if you burn it. Hi, I am back, and it took this so far. This is 8 minutes in here, and as you can see, so I have to go. You have to kind of lift and look at it through the foaminess. And then, come here, Bill. Can you smell it? How it smells different than butter a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Like you can smell. So I'm going to pour it into this bowl so they can see the color. Once you see how it's brown going in there.
You know they can't smell it, right?
I know they can't smell it, but they can see the brown.
Move the pan. Move the pan.
Okay, I'm sorry. Well, I gotta stir so you could. Let me use this for this white. Okay, look. See the color? That's perfect brown. So now what I have to do is I have to let it get to like room temperature. It says to cover it and put it aside. I don't do that. I just let it sit. I kind of put it in a cold bowl, and I have to let it get to room temperature, and then I'm going to mix it in here with. I have a 1 cup of packed brown sugar and 1/2 cup of white sugar. I have 2 1/4 cups plus 2 tablespoons of flour in there with a teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and that's it, I think. And then vanilla, and then 2 eggs. And like always, I'll post the recipe, but when we come back, when this is cooled, I'm gonna mix everything together, and then we'll have the dough. And we're back. So I've creamed together the brown sugar, the white sugar, and the brown butter. And I don't know if you want to lean in and smell it again. And just smell how, like, what a difference the brown butter makes compared to. So now I gotta add in 2 eggs. Am I keeping you up?
Yeah, I've been waiting for you all day.
Oh, right. I have the oven preheating to 350 right now. Perfect timing. Did you hear the timer just go off right now?
Yeah, tell them what you added.
So I added in 2 teaspoons of vanilla, the 2 eggs, and then the dry ingredients. And then here's our dough. But I want you to smell the dough. You can
Can
see.
you face with it?
No.
Yeah, put it in front of the camera and have them smell it. Fucking give it to me.
Do you still smell the brown butter smell?
A little bit,
Yeah. And then, so now I'm just gonna scoop it, and we come back. It's gonna be another short show. Billy can have his glass of milk. Have you tasted the brown butter? I don't think you have had these yet. So Billy will be my first one. Eric loves these, like I said, and he just took his beautiful girlfriend to the airport. She was here this weekend with us.
I didn't hear you say Eric loves it because I'm fast forwarding that part.
These are Eric's favorite cookies. Eric said these should be my signature cookies. I did say this spiel while the mixer was going, and then he told me, Mom, wait till after because they're not going to be able to hear you. But yes, Eric, this is Eric's favorite cookie that I make. And Danny will say to me,
Quit making cookies.
well, you know what, try having some willpower.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Shit, he's going to blame me because there's sweets in the house and he can't control
He's a
himself.
greedy bastard.
He is a greedy bastard.
Makes me sick.
Oh, shit. Yeah, I watch the show with him. When he comes home from work, we watch it together. He's going to kill me. Us talking shit. I'm going to say it was all your brother
Yeah.
talking shit about you.
Alright, wrap it up.
Okay. When we come back, they'll be out of the oven. I'm going to tell you real quick how long I bake them for. 11 to 13 minutes. Most cookies take 10 to 12, 11 to 13. So the first batch I always put on at 13, but I check and just make sure that they're not getting too cooked. So when we come back, we'll do our taste test. And we're back. And these are coming out of the oven. Okay, he's got his milk.
That a girl.
And then you have to tell them if you taste a difference because if it's brown butter versus regular butter that I normally use. What's your thoughts on those?
They're good. You can taste the brown butter.
Are they better than like my regular old ass chocolate chip cookies?
No.
But you do like, he likes the little cut and bake, he eats all that raw dough and shit, so. Okay, thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Next week I'll do a keto recipe. I just gotta think of stuff to do. It's kind of hard because when I'm on keto, I shouldn't say when everybody's on keto. When I'm on keto, I kind of just stick with chicken dishes. And I think I've made like 4 chicken dishes already that are keto on here. So I'll do some kind of a beef recipe next week for keto. Have a great week. Thank you for joining us. And don't forget to check out In the Clinch, press conference. I gotta talk to Chris about Desert Gems. And then they have a show called Clickbait. Don't judge me on that one. Thank you, thank you, thank you.